Hi guys, I'm David Sendaula, a former student of UCU and the director of Kowe Media. I do television documentaries, photography for events and also video.
Hi, welcome to Gen Z with me, Mr. David. Now today on the show we are going to focus more on the post-Valentine's.
I wish to let you know that UCU has journalism, communication and media studies, and trust me, if you bring your child here, this is the best place. We have the gadgets. Actually, the institution has the gadgets. They have a state-of-art studio where students get hands-on skills, so be assured that the kid will receive the best of experiences at the institution. Whether it's communication, whether it's journalism, whether it's multimedia, this is the place for you to have the experiences. Please come through. You'll never be disappointed.